Let me guess, you've tried tons and tons of productivity videos, you've implemented everything, but for some reason you still only focus for 1 or 2 hours a day. Maybe you meditated daily for months, maybe you tried all these elaborate morning routines, but you still can't focus on your work. And now I went through the exact same thing until I did the complete opposite of what these productivity gurus, YouTubers were saying. And doing this not only allowed me to focus for 6 or 8 hours every single day, but it also allowed me to help 100 entrepreneurs do the exact same. And so in this video I'm going to share the one simple thing I did that changed my focus in one day without constantly meditating all day or installing tons of Notion templates that don't help you, so you can finally focus for super long hours. Okay, let's dive in. So the very first thing I want to go over is why most productivity advice never works for you, but it seems to work for other people. See, here's what most people do. They watch these productivity videos, they implement these complex systems, these hacks they hear online, and maybe it works for a few days, maybe it works for a week, but after a week they go back to their old self. They go back to focusing for 1 or 2 hours a day, and so they repeat the same cycle. They go back on YouTube, they watch more productivity videos, and so what happens over time is they start hyper obsessing over how to improve their productivity rather than actually improving their productivity. And this is the exact reason why most people struggle with focus and sleep for years at a time. I went through the exact same cycle when I was building my own business that didn't really work out at all, simply because I couldn't focus for long hours, and because of that I would watch tons of productivity videos and my entire day would just be doing that, thinking I was being productive when really I was just wasting time. And the brutal truth is, you could have fixed your focus and I could have fixed my focus in one day if I followed this simple thing I'm about to go over. And before I do that, I want you to think about the definition of what productivity actually means. Maybe for some reason you think productivity means how many work hours you have or how much effort you're putting into something, when really productivity really means is getting the most out of your time. And so someone could be working 1 hour, 2 hours a day with full focus and be way more productive than someone working 12. So this means you don't need to have meditation inside your day for like an hour a day. You don't need to have 5 different Notion templates you constantly switch across and you fill out. You don't need to follow the Pomodoro method every day. All you need to do is focus on what actually matters, solving the real constraint, not the symptoms of the constraint. And once you do that, that's when focusing becomes very easy and doing work feels effortless. And now, by the way, if you are an entrepreneur who wants to be able to get into a flow state for 6 hours a day, blow up your business by optimizing your mental performance, click the first link in the description to do my free community on School where you get my free flow state protocol. Okay, now you're probably wondering, what is this one thing that changes your focus in one day? How do I actually do that? Well, the only thing that changed my focus in one day and allowed me to go from someone who focuses for 1 or 2 hours to 8 hours a day is becoming really good at finding constraints. And now, before you click off and you say, oh, this is just wasting my time, the only reason you can't improve your focus right now is because you're trying to solve 100 constraints at once that aren't even the real constraint. You're fixing your sleep when your sleep is perfectly fine. You're trying to find new different planning apps when your day is full of clarity. But I guarantee there's just one or a couple of small things you're missing and you don't see. That is the real constraint. And the symptoms you have, maybe being poor focus, maybe being high levels of procrastination, are just the second order consequences that come from these small constraints. And the exact same thing happened to me. I used to think the problem was my focus, that I just couldn't focus for more than 25 minutes at a time. And so I'd watch all these videos on how to improve your focus, how to fix your attention span, but that wasn't actually the problem. My problem was my sleep. Every single night before bed I would scroll on my phone, and this would really lower my sleep quality, which would lower my focus quality the next day. And once I fixed that in one single day, I've started to focus for 8 hours a day. And honestly, this isn't rocket science, and I know it probably doesn't sound like the thing you were looking for. You were probably hoping to get this focus hack you've never heard of that has this really complex name and has worked for everyone, but most of the time that will never happen. And so how do you actually become good at finding constraints? Well, honestly, all you have to do is do something called Socratic questioning. This is a type of questioning framework I do talk about a lot on this channel, but it's very important. It's something developed by Socrates, who gave it to his students to solve complex problems and find solutions to them, right? But we can basically use this for our mental performance, but also in our business, in life in general. And basically all you have to do is get the problem you're facing and ask yourself why at least 5 times or more to get to the real constraint, because the problem you have up here is probably just the symptom. So quickly we'll just want to run you through an example. Okay, let's imagine I struggle with focus. This is the big problem I'm facing, and I'm going to ask myself why. But why do I struggle with focus? Well, I feel very tired in the day. Why do I feel tired in the day? Well, as soon as I wake up, I start scrolling on my phone. Well, why do I do that? Because my phone's always next to me while I'm working, but also just always in my environment. Why is it always in my environment? Because work feels very challenging most of the time, and so I need something to just calm me down and get rid of the stress. Why do I need that? Well, I don't have any clarity on what I'm working on, so it's very hard to do and know what to do. Do you see how we've gone from focus being the main problem to all the way to lack of clarity in your routine being the second problem, right? And so if I was this person, all I would have to do is every single night before the next day, I'll just plan my day in extreme clarity, in extreme detail. And what this will do is probably just fix my focus, because the task will be very easy to do. It wouldn't feel challenging anymore. And so that's all you need to do. Honestly, just that simple. And so to make this super actionable for you, what I want you to do is grab a piece of paper and a pen and write down, just like I did, the main problem, why, and just keep on going until you get to the root cause and you can't go any further. Then what you want to do is just find a couple of sources that solve these problems that you have, or just honestly just think to yourself, how do I actually solve this problem? Honestly, it's just common sense. If you struggle with a phone addiction, move your phone outside the room, install 5 different screen time blockers, ask someone in your house to have your phone while you work, right? But the main thing I want you to understand is fixing your productivity, and also just business in general. If you do have a business and you're just struggling with constraints in that, all you have to realize is 80% of fixing the problem is finding the constraint, while 20% is actually doing the solutions to fix the problem. So this is the one thing that allowed me to go from focusing for 1 or 2 hours a day to 8 hours a day practically instantly. Okay, and I know that sounds very crazy, but I guarantee if you try the exact same thing, the same will happen to you. And now, like I said in the video, if you are an entrepreneur who wants to be able to get into a flow state for 6 hours a day, double your business in 90 days, click the first link in the description due to my free community where you get my free flow state protocol so you can actually fix your mental performance right now. Have an amazing rest of your day, man. Peace.